Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Uber Eats support. When you have any trouble with the application or you just want some answers to a quick questions. If you submit a question to Uber Eats support team, they will get back to you within 48 hours and you will receive a notification on your phone from Uber if you have the notifications enabled, and it will let you know that you received a response. You might also receive an email regarding the issue. To contact Uber Eats support, go to your web browser and then type in help.uber.com and search for, and this is the Uber support page, and from here you have to select Uber Eats, and now in the search box you have to search for I didn't receive my order. Search for your issue. You can search for any issue by tapping on this search bar and you will be able to see the search results according to your issue. Pick anyone in order to elaborate your problem and then sign into your account by tapping on this login to get help. Go ahead and enter your credentials and tap on next. So this is how you can contact Uber Eats support when you have any kind of problem on Uber Eats. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.